uyabona kuhlala nema-artist akusi-right so uyangijampisela ukuthi njani la nyalo ucela mina ukuthi ngitiphathe kahle ukuthi ngoba ngiyakhohlwa ukuthi iholide akusho ukuthi indawo bese ngiyamosha nginomfundo mo hambisana nabuhle ku-BZR FM The Pumping Beat of Ekas Exclusive Drive ngilalela Mr. Lou hambisana ke na Amifaku bathi ke langazela nginawo ngiyathemba ukuthi langazele naso isikhathi nazi sesifikile ke njengoba seyipumping beat of Ekas sineshandisi yaseKasi liyabeva la subscribe lebathawukhala khona la lomsakathweni kulesikhathi samanje ngilenye yema podcast lengiyithanza kwala sifundeni sethu sala Mpumalanga that's why ke sithi phakathi inside Mpumalanga sicala namuhla ke ngala Baptini ngiyiko lebathu kutshela ke ukuthi eBaptini kwendakala ngicela kunivusela nginamukela la lomsakathweni njani
siyaphila njani futhi
ngiyaphila mina ke njani
siyaphila nathi bhuti njani
mina ngiyajabula ngoba ngakuleli likasi uyakubona yeah so le shandisi yala kasi lami la that's why befuna ukuthi itobu ungathwa la ku pumping beat of Ekas umlaleli makalalele ngimtshelile mina mangena ngothula ubito lami ukuthi ngiPrince Valley then la kungathi ngibani sesi
Sineshabalala
Sineshabalala
lapha bathwani ngakhaleni
mina kethu
mina igama lami inkosi nathi Dlamini nethi ngoba labaningi bangadinga king
bengisafuna lelo ngoba ngesikutayele ngayo nisilethele ishandisi yala kasi kumlaleli soluyeva ngiyashandisa ngikhuluma ngani mina ngiyayada ngini mangikhuluma ngeshandisi yaseKasi ngoba imedia le yakusika ukuthi just into lencane nje ngikhuluma ngani
ishandisi yaseKasi bhuti ukhuluma ngemndeni angibeke njalo ishandisi yaseKasi imndeni lokhulele khona la Barberton nje yonke lento vele ila locally so kusho ukuthi sibuke the way kwendeka ngakhona nje nganyalo lamphakathini yabona ukuthi kwendakalana Barberton dibhamo ma up and down ma gangster ngalana abafana labancane mikhwa etikolweni ayibona so sahlala phansi sayibona ukuthi why singazami create something leto khona ukuthi ikhiphe iyouth yakhona la khaya busy lokuthi bakhona ukuthi instead of ukuthi ba focus edukama bad influence or into letibhekele at least sibanike something leto khona kubenda babe consistent ku something good babe positive
ngijabula mawuthi imndeni uyibeka kahle masekhaya kuna lomncane kunalomzali nalomncane nalomzali singokuhlukahlukana kwethu kwestage kunani la kule media sitofika la kule podcasting lapho ngifuna kunika wena sesikhulumelana ikhuluma nje lapha kunani ngoba nje ngihlangene baculi bokucula ngathi ukuthi usacula la
producer
you are producer no producer so idila ngani yona ishandisi yaseKasi media lokukhona
ishandisi yaseKasi media idila ngeyouth especially now lefuna kuphakama so we have people laba motivate lenye iyouth ukuthi maybe bona bandlule into letinzima nabo not let me say not into letinzima but I crime so they bafuna kufundisana labanye ukuthi I crime ayikho kabi so lokunye la kushandisa seKasi FM sine malaba busy ngemusic sine ma hairstylist nabanye laba busy ngemedia especially King la ubusy ngemedia kakhulu so I podcast la kushandisa seKasi asidingi ngepodcast kuphela so something is coming bune acting shout out to Chili Baby the director so there's something coming la ku Shandisi media we don't only deal with podcast only but there is something more coming
kunabani wendani King bese sivelile ukuthi uya producer ngathi komculo la uya shoota niya hosta ngive masawubala netinto temasaluni sengibuka yona udana mara bangakuthusa amajita lamanye especially la qamuka kuleli bangabani ari bamba nelimele so benitheni sikhombisani kimi benitheni 7
C7
so kunabani wendani lo wendani
kuna Noli uyi hairstylist ni makeup artist aseshandisa seKasi kuna TK Hope i-co-host aseshandisa seKasi ubusy ngemusic kuna NP Flake uyi co-host nayo ubusy ngemusic then we have Mr Southside
organizer ngoyelo organizer latinto letiningi like ma appointments nani
we have Chili Baby i-director ngiyelo busy ngale acting later
asingene into kwenza baye podcast ngoba ngiyo le ngifuna kuva ukuthi nifika kanjani ukuthi asasibe ne podcast because leyo seyiletha konke onke nalama artists lele sikhuluma ngawo abakhona konke nalokwendekayo lamphakathini kuba khona ukuthi abantu labanyeni lapha ngokuhlukahlukana sinaso mahlaya lokhona la Baptini nginibone nikhona lapha sinababe lo induna ngibonile avela kube nankosi banyeni kakhulu abavelile basatovela futhi
baset
so yini let's okay nama artists siyawata la khaya ayacula amaningi kakhulu ngijabulani vete na Mr Southside ngokuthi uyahlela ama event asesine sihlele i-podcast nyalo yini le fike lapha.
Alright, kusho ukuthi i-podcast it's one of the ideas leyafika kakhulu nje ngasho ukuthi na Mr Southside.
Yeah.
Cause i-podcast besibuka the way into tende ngakhona nalokuthi njengoba thina sayicala le ishandisa sekhasi lomndeni.
Yeah.
Ukuthi sinema goals lahlukene. But at the same time sine goal le1 which is success impumelelo. So sahlala phansi sayibuka ukuthi no man because lona ugood ngendelo so lona ugood ngendelo so lo ugood ngendelo so why singa create i-podcast so that everyone atokhona ukuthi afile welcome akhona participate unemuntu avete likhono lanalo le talent lakhe o la busy ngako business yonke into netlafuna kuyiletha to the public akhona ukuthi kutiveta noma abayathengisa o kunema products labanye bathengisa ama products mara sibade yebo labanye bathengisa tikipa labanye banetitolo so sacreate le podcast so that wonke umuntu atokhona ukuthi veta ngaphandle as la mphakathi waseMpumalanga because vele nje ishandisa sekhasi umndeni waseMpumalanga for everyone la Mpumalanga ngiyibona
sineshandisa yasekhasi ku Bizarre FM 104.1 the pumping beat of ekhasi exclusive drive libitwa nging Prince Valley bakhona abayenzayo la ngiyacabanga abahamba ngafpasi ngesolo ngihleli nabo ke la safuna ukutshintsha amagiya nasincumalo masibuya singena straight kule podcast yabo. Ulalele BCR FM ku 104.1 the pumping beat of ekhasi exclusive drive noma interview le exclusive na driver lo exclusive ngishilo ngathi mina la ngidriver lo ngala license lo ngala lenas njengoba ngene ngo2 ngiyoshayisa ngo6 shothi ingodi ngila ngiyoyithola khona ngiyajabula ke ngiphelele ngine writer la na cameraman le hlelo leli ngathi sekta ufuna zelishuthe babuya kushandisi yasekhasi besikhuluma ngepodcast yeni.
Yeah.
Akhona ama podcast ahluke kakhulu eMzansi kunema podcast la controversial why nichoose ukuthi no asasambeni bengakhuluma ngaletinye izinto ningasibiti nokusibita ukuthi sibe ma guest and then njalo bantu bathuthela kodwa bakhuluma emsangano bakhulume ngebantu beningagosipha yini leni ukuthi no sifuna kobungathi abantu bakulenza wethu.
Yeah, njengoba sishilo nasekucaleni but ukuthi i-aim ukuthi sikhuphuke sonke because masingaye emaqinisweni iMpumalanga ine talent dog. Talent like ilikhulu and li overrated like baningi masinga compare nje the biggest celebrities nema artists ethu alakhaya. Banel talent bafana bethu balakhaya dog mara they are underrated so that's why kule podcast sizama kuveta lonke il talent wonke umuntu onelikhono that's why mawungabukela onke lama episode kugcwele abantu ababhizi ngemedia mawunganako.
Yeah.
Because zama lokho zama khuphula le talent lasekhasi. Shout out to wonke nje umuntu lo wena music khona lakhaya eBarberton ngicala ngeBarberton nje mara iMpumalanga yonke because the talent likhona so zama lokho lokuthi banga give up at the earlier age yabona babone ngathi lokho music akisanzawo kumbe eshinya actor akuyinzawo akuyafana mosingcono nyonjonja ka my friend yayibona. Yeah.
Eshoze nginajonje kakhona lapho uyi-writer.
Yeah.
Ubhalani lapha kule podcast mhlambe sitawuva ukuthi lama point la ngathi abhekele eceleni vela nawo makuthiwa kunemuntu lobhala kodwa kwe podcast uyi-writer usuke ubhala yini.
Sometimes ngibhala ama questions for my guest so I also write my emails lekufuna maybe socela somewhere lekufuna kuyakhona. I also write that my statement we once hate so bekufuna inform my fans ukuthi okay something came up ngesikhona ukuposta this week so I had to inform them but did kanjalo questions emails did it kanjalo.
Ubhala na ku social media I career le sinema script ungibuke ngawuse ngibacocela abake ungibuta ngescript la wena bose ngibuta ngescript angathi kumbe bose ufuna ukungiproducela yinto mhlambe lebe uyifisile kumbe kuvele ethubeni ukuthi okay naku sesine opportunity lesona athi singakupha yona kumbe into mhlambe lebe uyifisile ukuthi kusasa nawe uyafuna kuba i-writer.
No, into level throughout imsebenzi wami podcast.
Okay.
So I realize ukuthi okay I can write. Kahle ngimuntu othanza kufunza. Ngifunze ama novel kakhulu so nami ngiyabona ngibhala ya.
Ubhala novel?
Maybe a book.
Okay.
A book, yeah, I can write a book maybe one day.
Ngaphandle kwelona ngoba abantu banokubhala tinkondlo tabo khona lokunye lokubhala kumbe just to sa la kuleli book lasipublishela le book kuphela.
No.
No ke
mara kubhala is good esikhathini esiningi because onke lama episode abhalwa nguye script onke lama questions labawalalelako bantu lapha kulama video asuka a draft ngusine lawe ma host but not lawe guest lawe ma host everything yonke lento in detail yonke lento lesiyendawo kusuke kubhale yena nema announcements laba khona kuma page ma Facebook page nani kusuke kubhale yena yonke lento
mayicala ngicabanga episode 1 na episode 2 ngibone ipresenter ngathi kube ngithi guest presenter onjani bese nashintsha sitawubona achintsha ama presenter kumbe ngilawa leleni nawo la khona kumbe sina 2 laba la ngemuva bayakhuluma nabo ba add
ku podcast okay ku kasi podcast lo mulebe nimbona ku first episode and second episode namanje solo sisasebenza song rate ngoba nguthi nyalo sesihlelile lento sanikana like umsebenzi akusafana lokuthi lona sona lenye position lona sosebenza lenye position so kahle when it comes to ma presenter ku podcast singasho ukuthi i4
yebo mina bengibona lethule ngibona nginokuva lamavi nginokuva lakho ngive la southside ngoba ngiyalathi mara nakhona uvela lesikhathi sekabuda uvele la kulelanga lelibhodo ngihamba nani lapho ngiyayifuna so i4 ma present okay
i4
then le 2 ngilele siyibonako
le ngiyele niyibonako lalabanye baku background
ma ghost la okay kungcono now ngijabula leti igaba ngendlela abulibeka ngamaphela lehlelo noma malicala liyaveta ukuthi okay si interviewer bantu mhlambe labacula ko talent liveta lama interviews noma lama topics lentila ngawo ngwapi lama topic leni wabukile
ama topic lezo wabukile it's entertainment business education lifestyle
marriage
umjolo umjolo
businesses
like parenting because it's in le podcast yethu idila netinto letiningi vela si specialize ukuthi sidothi yema artist nani yawo wonke umuntu anyone lone story to tell
asiqale la khaya eBaptini kumbe singaqala khona ngale
eBaptini yonke
ufuna kuva ukuthi ban receive njani ngoba phela besithi so wendani lo makhelwane wethu la then ngifuna kuva ngoba store yamasani YouTube lokho sebo international la lamzansi sin receive njani ungayicala ngalekini then so yabuya uyasuthi la Baptini uninwebe ni eMpumalanga sin receive njani
uyabona to be honest siyayibonga isupport bani labasinike yona because on the first 2 episode or 3 or 4 ngasho njalo ngithi 4 some people obviously very undermining bakhona yathi now kube like bendani labo bafuna kutenda bo Mac G bafuna kutenda into njengaleto yabona kanti mawumuntu angisho ne artist lakho uthi mina ngiyafisa ukuthi bona ngingiquesta kusasa mina ngiyafisa ukuthi bona ngingikespanyo verse kusasa yabona so yonke into mawucala usone role model yakho esikhatsini esiningi so sina masicala because into lengekho la kithi la local yebo so that's why we wanted to bring something new to the people because okay bangayibukela out there but bangayi experience because it's too far from them so my khona la kase Chris kutoba easier for umuntu ukuthi akhone ukuthi iveta ukuthi no mina ngiyacela ukuthi ngibe khona I wanna motivate bantu about maybe batali or things like that and sometimes kuba batali bathi mina ngifuna ukumotivate like my parents ukuthi bantwana abakhuliswe njani because is approach abantu abaningi yebo some of lama guests lesibanawo akusima guests lesithi siyawafonela sicela ukuthi sicela ku interviewer so kuba ngibo laba approach yakho basende ama email labanye bafone or labanye basibhalele kuma social media basho ukuthi nginento leso bengajabula ukuthi ngibe khona ngilokhona kuyivet
ngisafuna kubuta ukuthi isebenza kanjani ukuthi siyacelela ukuthi si-interviewe kumbe niyacela so i-vice
versa siyacela uyacela wonke umuntu welcome it's free of charge asicharge lutho
asesive ke nyalo ngicela kunihlukanisa ngivile wena uthi marriage bofuna nishade ngiyanihlukanisa ngiyadivorce top 5 yakho ema interview losi lawa sibe nawo uwathanzile wena seningasho ukuthi okay lena vele thine sikase shandise siphakamisile le 1 mara top 5 ngiphe yakho
so should I mention the number of noma I should mention
lo wathanzile yawo ngasho ukuthi okay ngaphezulu bani bekana okay mina ngidobekisela njengayami le ngithanzile kambe ngibani baphi ngithanze induna lapha denye ngithanzile Okay ngithanze na episode 1 I think
shout out to Baba Sotoba.
Yeah, Baba Sotoba ngithanze ngithanze Baba Sotoba ngaphinda ngathanza ngicabanga episode 1 lana Mr Southside khona.
Yeah.
Ne Roadway leya luyanda ngisengayibukeli but ngiyibonile ngoba ngiwakhethile neyango sengiyithanzile. Ukuthi ngizulumani.
Yeah, Zulumani.
Yeah. So that's why I ngikhethe the
top 5.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll start from number 1. Number 1 was the Zulumani.
Yeah.
Because it had a lot of viewers.
Ufunzeni.
I've learned was a lot. Even though bengavakala at background. Okay, ngifunze ukuthi a person can change.
Yeah.
Yeah, so umuntu singamjudge ngikumbona because yena ugo through a lot. So nakazama kuvela asim accept ukuthi okay njengoba sekatshintshile accept ukuthi okay nyalo so tshintshile njengoba tshintshile ufuna kufundisa labanye ukuthi bangahambe enyatheleni lena la kahambe khona.
Okay.
So number 2 was as well the Thick Bay. That one was probably, and I also learned ukuthi emlweni akufuni sibajudge the part of LGBTQ community. Number 3 ngileya babsetobe usifundise kakhulu ngeculture. Number 4 ngileya Bongs. Bongs, I think it's the last one.
Yeah, it's the last one.
Ngileya Bongs. Angimuntu akhuluma ama vibe so ngithathile naye. Okay, number 5 ngileya Luyanda Mr Beautiful.
Yeah.
Okay, ngifunze kakhulu about acting. I didn't know that much, so that's my top 5.
Hayi ukuthi uthanze Luyanda ukuthi beautiful ngoba ukuthi Mr Beautiful.
It's a drill.
Yeah. Usho njalo washo njalo ngingaba naye la ngisambuda wathi nje laba ufuna kwathi yena babona ababukeke esetril. Ngicela yakho top 5.
Mina honestly top 5 anginayo but
Yeah.
mina onge ma top 5 like ibonge onge lama episode game are interesting because mina as a director ne photographer ngimlo shoothako esikhatsini esiningi ngimlo editako so yonke lento kimi interesting because some people bangayibukela but banga notice ma valid points ngithola just babukele okunye kubadlule but mina because I have to go through every sentence mang edit.
Yeah.
I know everything about Leo episode so give me only lama episode give me up best.
Okay
but if I can choose I can choose angisho ukuthi lamanye abet. Yeah bangangithathe kabi. Yeah. So mina yokuqala nje ngasho ukuthi ngathanza Leya Rough Base just that I don't remember ukuthi beku episode bani but ngathanza Leya Rough Base because ngaleso sikhathi bekunema beef nje into lethi njengaleto but isikhathi eta ku interview then wakhona kuyibeka ebaleni lento ukuthi kwendakalani so that yaniketa wonke umuntu clarity ukuthi bakhona ukunderstand yabona ukuthi isukela kuphi bakhona ukunderstand abangathi nje hey wena wathi yatata into ema beef utinjani. So ngathanza the way wa responda ngakhona kule podcast. So number 2 Leya Zulumani because wafundisa kakhulu youth about crime bangayi-idolize ukuthi bafune ukuthi nami ngifuna kuba ingwenya ngifanele na Zulumani oyayibona into ethi njengaleto. Then number 3 bekungileya khona this girl wase Komazi bathi ngiphondo. I don't know if you saw it. Yeah bathi ngiphondo so ngayithanza naleyo because into leyo beyakhuluma even though it was funny but yeah it makes sense. It makes a lot of sense. Number 4 bekungileya Noli elisebenza naye because naye bekuhard for yena because njengabashilo sine ukuthi i-makeup artist and i-hairstylist khathi aqala bekungekho isibaningi lebebam undermine abamkhuluma kabi things like that but wa manager kufika la khona namuhla akazange walahla lithemba so yeah I'm impressed that's why now ngiyithanza because yonke lento uyayiclarify kule episode.
Mangathi sihambe siyothenga into so send ebunanzi singathenga sibambisana never ukuthi kushisa kanjani abantu labasha siyabambisana kule into leto sivete episode yazulumani netinto letibheke eceleni.
Yeah.
Nibambane njani nenibantu abasha kunamuntu omdzala lapha kini senikhulile but bantu abasha bonke labarana le podcast sikhona njani kuvisisana ngoba bekufuna kungavanwa la but sikhonile ngikhuluma nyalo kunebantu abasikhombisa nibambane njani nakhona ku create into lehle so.
I think ukuthi kuhloniphana because it's in the way njengoba shilo ukuthi simndeni thina siyakhona lokuhloniphana like lokuthi siyakhona lokunikana nespace ukuthi okay noma singadlala but ikune limit yebo so kona siyaba nema arguments uyadvele ma team siyaba nokuphikisana mara senda sure ukuthi before siphume angisho siyaphikisana masihlangene kuma meeting but senda sure ukuthi before sihamba suke sinayo isolution yaleyo nkinga lebe stop debate ngayo senda sure ukuthi kude lophuma kwatini.
I think it's because we all committed in what we are doing. Yeah, so sibambisene kakhulu siyahloniphana sobhuti nabo sisi kude lingathi imdzala ngaleyo ndlela.
Yeah, bengisho lokho.
Yeah.
Yeah, injalo lena.
Kuhle siyayibona siyayibukela i-podcast la. Yini matima lesidibana na ngoba sibona sekuphelele lapha sesiyahleka senase subscribe no subscribe senasile mara mhlambe khona matima leni bukana nabo.
Ukhona. Financially.
Yeah.
So we struggle because we need equipment. And also njengoba singakabuyi i-podcast kuphela we also do a photo shoot. So kuba khona maybe laba sibuka khona ukuthi sifuna so angini you know if you work they pay after.
Okay, yeah, kunicala usebenze
qala. Kunicala uhlanganisa transport nako konke lokho yabo but we manage sicile sendile lo msebenzi loyo but financially we are lacking.
Ya kungiloko nje. Shothi kahle makathi kusinika like my challenge because esikhathini esiningi like equipment makathi siyaleka like senda tini letiningi and asinayo equipment le enough.
Oh, okay, yeah, ngeke.
So kuyashaya sometimes.
Mhlambe sengifuna ukushoot music video
ngalaba sibita ku birthday.
Yeah.
Ngalana kufuna sibe ne podcast nzambama. Asikhoni sometimes sefuna sacrifice. Kuthi okay. Let into le T3 or kule for ma bookings ngiple sithatha ngiple si-ignore. So ngiyo lento lesihlupa.
Asende so ngifuna sikhulume nalabo abukelako nalabo alaleli. Namkhona lo Matiko lo birthday namhla la ngwapi lama services enu stock khona ku support singabukeli mahala lapha. Uyabona. So nenda okay ucale ngokuthi kune hairstylist lapha. Okay na asista ikhuluma la moyeni. Mina ngicela ni advertise nala ane Mr Southside wena njani uya uma ulana ngakubambile njani. Akube nalama advert end lapha stock khona kubona ukuthi okay nabaya bawula ma hairstylist so akucale nini cala kufakela ama advert then start advertiser nathi then sengifuna la manye ma services lenawo music video ngibonile bo Raf ngale so nema artist lalalele la khaya offerisha music video lokunye yini ni offerisha yako as a service.
Alright, tennis offerisha music video or video singasho ukuthi videographer like even ama documentary.
Okay,
noma ngabe you have a ceremony ufuna like angisho kuya depend sometimes labanye bafuna tithombe labanye bafuna ama video siyakhona ukuthi sikufike sikushuthele ivideo noma ngabe uyabhedeya okunemsebenzi ekhaya kuhlatshwa inkomo siyakhona ukuthi sikushayele ama video bese siyabuya lama video asikuniketa raw siyawa editor sibuke whatever lefithako for ukuthi singayifaka on that video so that it ufike ibe interesting kulabanye abantu mabayibukela. Yayibona. So senda show ukuthi yonke into iba into standard then is available for ma shootings ma gatherings noma kusesondweni noma kusema clubini kulama club owners so ngasho ukuthi ba own ema tavern mabane ma events or nje regular sikhona available siyafika shoot labo bantu laba khona ukusupporta or whatever leyendakalayo it's affordable as available sonke isikhathi 24/7 masifonela ngo2 episode.
Okay, yeah ngabanika le number nyalo noma ndokunika le lithuba batokhona ukufonela ngo2 episode. Ngoba so shilo la. Man buka umsebenzi wenu ni happy ngalani khona lebe nikufisile nikachievile kwadisiye kuphela ngoba kusani nikufisile. I mean kuningi lenikufisako. Ngisafuna ukufisa cabanga nifuna ku interview abo McGina. Yebo. So asicaleni ngekwadisiye. Lebe nikufisile nikubonile.
Abona for what this year. To be honest achieve a lot. And in a short time because I think in 3 months siqalile 3 or 4 months siqalile lento but there's been a lot of achievement. That's why sithi siyabonga nje support yabantu laba supportayo even though singeke sibadi individually and singeke sibabale bonke ngemagama mara badad. So siyabonga ukuthi bakhona ukuthi kusiniketa isikhathi babukele or whatever lesi uploadako bakhona ku-engage aba-comment labanye bayafona babuya ne-feedback basho ukuthi I know siyibonile so but sicela ukuthi next time nizame so siyakuthanda thina lokho because kuyasisita ukuthi sikhule. So I achieve a lot for this year.
Nisebenza nema artist until nge-podcast yodwana yini mhlambe lesikulenzela ku Kasi Shandis Media ngaba ngidisiye ngaba next year khona leni sakufihlile ukuthi okay sakupheka lo manihamba la nje sayo edit
Shandis yasekasi nje siyabonga nje le opportunity. Shout out to you Prince. Siyabonga le opportunity ukuthi usibide la radio. So and also nalama visual esikhuluma ngawo lawo ma film. So I upload as like my series. For now sicala nga 15 minutes clips. So drop about 15 minutes clips goba ma series but go act abantwana age from 15 kuya pass. Goba into yebantwana. Angisho it's about bana batsala talk bahlu bethe 17 batsakiwe labanye bayalova lo munye so yajola unemuntu wakhe yayibona lento le. So sinalabantwana because iaim angisho ithi kukhuphula youth yabona. Nalikotsha lisasemandi lingaze lome liyahlupha.
Lokunye longakahambi kahle ngale hayi ukuthi akahambi kahle ngala ku10 so ngiyakujabulela lokho. Bavile sesikhulumile sifuna ukuphakamisa nebantwana banilandzela ku ngoba nginibonile mina that's why nginibitile lo sengaboni banilandzela ku ma social media platforms eni
khona ku onke ma social media platform starting from Instagram Shandis Yasekasi Media, sikhona ku Facebook page Shandis Yasekasi Media, sikhona ku TikTok na ku YouTube kakhulu la YouTube guys. Sancela sibonile support enikhona
nalo khona lesigama
so abonile ma viewers ish viewers awasijabulisi kodwa nje siyabonga ukuthi lapho nalapho nakhona kuvela guys cela ni comment ba comment enabaleke kakhulu sacela ni share ma opinion enu lastly ngicela ukuthi subscribe
yazo ba vibe lokudura ba vibe la serious
mavukugcina mina ke
mavukugcina ukuthi nje singasho ukuthi siyabonga kibo bonke labalaleli labathethe isikhathi sabo balalela iShandis Yasekasi. Siyabonga isupport yabantu abasinika yona nema feedback. Sicela bachubeke njalo basupporte nalo ufisa ke ekhaya ukuthi angaba part of iShandis lofuna ukusijoina una something lanayo maybe uya director or uyacula or uya actor or whatever show lofuna ukutanayo ukuthi maybe no mina I wanna start my own show but akana equipment sikhona thina sitokhona kubasida labo bantu because kuvumeleke noma ngabe ngibani it's for the people.
Abakangithumi ngiyathuma mina kumphakathi waseBhabtini nesifundza saseMpumalanga nemsakado la siyabonga umsebenzi lenisendela wona lo muhle jabulani nokuthi niphindze niyaqashana nodwana nabantu labasha ukuthi ni7 nyalo uvetele opportunity ukuthi kufuneka abantwana labancane bete kutolungisa ngithi mina ugcinile uyachubeka nyalo usifuna ukushutha bangeda so uyabona ukuthi solo anicethe kuningi sibonga kakhulu ngicela nisibongele na tukwethu yenu nibonge nalabantu abazala ukuthi banivumele niye lapha ngiyacabanga abantu abazala bangavuma sende lokho ngeke bavume sekuletinye itinzawo nalabafuna ukuchasa ngicela banilandzele bachasa muhle umsebenzi wena baqale bayubona ke bafunani ba umuntu ukholonga kubona bawubone sesibonile muhle kakhulu siyabonga
siyabonga bhuti
ukhuluma ngala uhleli khona lapho ulalela umsakazo iBizarre FM uthi yebo lapho ngifelo lethi